Hello everyone. So for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to restore your Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 10. So as you can see, if we try to open an image in Windows 10, so it will be open in their new photo app, not with the Windows Photo Viewer. And most of us still prefer the old one. So what I will do is to show you how to get it back. So first, try to right-click the image you want to open, and then choose Open With, and then choose another app. Then look for the Windows Photo Viewer. So click More Apps and scroll down. If this is not present here, so what we need to do is to change the registry of our machine for it to be enabled. To do that, so we can just go to uh, Google and search for the registry. So Windows Photo Viewer Registry. And then I recommend you to open the Blip website. This one, www.blippingcomputer.com. Then they have their photo viewer registry here. So you can also look into other website. And this one, we can download this one. So it will give us this old classic photo viewer back in our Windows 10. So just click the registry file, then it will be downloaded, and then open it, then run it, then click yes for the pop-up, and then just click yes again for the registry to be overwritten. So once successful, just click OK, and then let's go back to our photo here, right click, and then open with, and then choose another app. So you will be able to see that the Windows Photo Viewer is already here. So just click this one, and if you want to be your default photo viewer, just click always use this app to open JPEG files or any photo or image file. So click OK, and here you go. You already have your Windows Photo Viewer back like the old days. So thank you guys for watching this video.